Greetings and welcome to this section of the video. So this video is about Promptearn affiliate program. Okay, so in case you are interested in signing up on Promptearn and being their affiliate, then pay attention to this video. Okay, so once you log into your Promptearn account, you'll be seeing a page like this telling you hello Jubilee Jack. Okay, so I'm using one of my student Promptearn accounts to record this video with her permission. Okay, so this is how the platform looks like. So what you can see there is today's sales 0. That means today there's no sales recorded for today. Today's affiliate earnings $0, no money, no sales made today. That is no money earned today. Then overall affiliate earnings $240. Okay, that means she has been able to earn this since she started being an affiliate on Promptearn. Okay, Jubilee is actually affiliate on many other platforms, and I think she focuses more on Xpartner. I don't know, but yeah, more on Xpartner. So this the money she earned on Promptearn, that's $240 US. Okay, from what you can see here. Then overall sales, that is how many sales has she been able to make since that's 17 sales total. Available affiliate earnings $15. That is, she has $15 to withdraw. Then total withdrawals means how much she has withdrawn so far from her affiliate account. Okay, so that is it about the dashboard here. So now for you to now locate the marketplace where you can now find the products to be selling, just click by this three, just click on these three lines by the top right. Okay, click on these three lines here, then you see marketplace here. Click on marketplace. Okay, so here you see different products, okay, on Promptearn. These are different products on Promptearn. Okay, so you can decide to actually promote any of them. You can also see or find affiliate beginners course ABC on this platform in case that is what you want to promote. Okay, so I will still add it on this platform. Okay, so by the time you are watching this video, it should be there already. Okay, so you can just search and then you will find the affiliate beginners course on this platform. Okay, so but if that's not why you are here, you can find other products here. Okay, you can find so many of them. So let's use one for example. So let's say this author's full guide, okay, or virtual assistant dollar program, anyone. So let's just open anyone, this AI ads. Okay, so if you open it, just touch on the name, then you see the seller's name, the owner of the product, Mesoma Princess Obi. Then you also see the amount, $30, I think 30,000 naira. Commission is 50%. Then copy affiliate link. You can see your affiliate link here. So if you want to promote this product, you just have to touch this copy here. Okay, touch this copy and then you have copied it. So after copying this product, what is the next thing now for you to start selling it? It's for you to first of all go and shorten this link. Okay, so just go to tinyurl.com or go to bit.ly and then shorten your link. This we are already covered on the affiliate beginners course. Okay, so you have the best training out there for you to learn how to sell this stuff. Okay, so copy your affiliate link, shorten it, and then keep somewhere. Then create your script. Create your script. This provider, this course creator, I don't know if she has any materials for you, but as you can see here, I don't think there's any promotional materials here, unlike the affiliate beginners course that can give you promotional materials to sell with. Okay, so there, if you are promoting something like ABC, then you see that I will provide for you the script that you use on your WhatsApp script, so that if somebody chats you, you know what to send to the person. If the person will reply, you also know what to reply to the person. If the person replies again, you also know another thing to reply to the person. That is why promoting the ABC is very easy. Okay, and it's the very best course for you if you are starting affiliate marketing as a beginner, and you can also recommend it to other beginners. So because there are so many done for you, that is, there are so many ready to use scripts and materials there. Do you understand? So get your script. That is the next thing to do after copying your link. Gather your script very well and keep on your WhatsApp. Maybe pin them on your keyboard. The ABC course has already taught you all that. Or if you want to use autoresponder, you can also use autoresponder and save all those scripts on your autoresponder app or on your keyboard. You can learn all that on your ABC course. You get? So after then the next thing to do is now to start your marketing. Okay, start marketing on your social media. If you check the ABC course, you will learn about how to market on Facebook, online forums like Nairaland, how to market on YouTube, how to do Google ads, how to do Facebook ads. So these are means that you're gonna use to sell any product you see on this Promptearn affiliate marketplace. Okay, so selling this product, they all have the same modus operandi. They all have the same process, the same way of selling them. So the same way you're gonna sell on Promptearn, that is just the same way you're also gonna sell on Expertner or Offcamp or Zenistech or Stakeout or Seller, anywhere. Okay, what you need is just the skill, that knowledge on how to sell. That is just what you need. Okay, and the ABC course has taught you, or will be teaching you, in case you have not gone through it, how to do all this. Okay, so do your marketing and then get your WhatsApp link. You also learn about WhatsApp link, get your WhatsApp link, and then share this stuff, share your marketing script online, so that once somebody sees it online and then replies or clicks on anything, maybe leading to your website, because the ABC course will also be teaching you how to get your website for free without you spending one kobo for it. All right, so get your what's it called, get your WhatsApp link, get your website ready. All those things will help you to sell any product as an affiliate successfully. So once somebody chats you now, you now know what to respond to the person till the final stage where the person now buys, that is pays for whatever thing that you are selling to him or her. But remember, always sell to people what you know that you will have peace of mind after selling. Okay, I may not know about any other product, but I know about my own product or my own course, being the Affiliate Beginners course. In case that is what you want to sell, or in case you are still looking for what to sell successfully, it's the fastest selling course you can get, or you can start promoting today. And it can also teach beginners like you and maybe any other person that you may be interested to recommend this to, how to sell as an affiliate successfully, having given you so many done for you scripts and materials to sell with. Okay, so the ABC course also comes with 9 days task. Okay, so it is not all about you going to watch videos. No, I'm providing you with 9 days task. Okay, so every day you have a task to complete as an affiliate under my umbrella. Okay, every blessed day you will be completing at least one task. Okay, and it will last you for the next 9 days. So that means it will take you just 9 days for you to finish the ABC course. This particular training now supposed to be your day 2 task. Okay, so you should be on your day 2 task currently, and congrats for completing your day 1 task. So by tomorrow you are getting across to your day 3 task and then the rest. Okay, so selling on any platform is just quite simple. Just use the same idea you get from the ABC course and then sell any other products you want to sell. Any vendor that you want to get materials from, I think it should be listed here, maybe somewhere under this go to product page. Then you should be seeing something like promotional materials. So it will help you to sell that particular product very well, in case you don't want to sell ABC course, because if ABC course should land here, in fact it should be here by now that you're watching this video. So I must surely drop for you materials, that is promotional materials for you to use. Okay, so that is it. There's nothing so or quite difficult here on selling on Promptearn as an affiliate. So let's go to another tab. Check transaction status here. It just means in case you want to maybe check the status of maybe somebody purchased products from you and it has not proceeded successfully, you can just come here, type in the buyer's name to know how far. Okay, so the next important thing here is affiliate leaderboard. That will show you the top affiliates on Promptearn, that is people that are selling continuously, the people who are selling massively on Promptearn currently. Then Promptearn challenge, then become a vendor, manage product, physical product, affiliate sales. Okay, in case you want to see sales that you have been making so far, and the people or the persons that are buying it, and the dates they bought it, and how much commission you made, that is from this affiliate sales. Then withdrawals here will now tell you how often you have withdrawn so far. Okay, so you can see she has been withdrawing, so that this confirms that okay, Promptearn also actually pays her affiliates. Okay, so the next thing there is profile. So under profile you now see details about you. Okay, now see details about you and your details. So here here is where you have to put your bank account information so that you can receive your payment from Promptearn. Okay, so that is it about Promptearn affiliates program. There's nothing so hard about the platform. Okay, so you just have to calm down, go through the ABC course, and then start promoting based on the same skills and ideas you have got from the ABC training. Then for the withdrawals, you can withdraw only on Saturdays. You can see under this available affiliate earnings here, you can see $15 here. So every Saturday you will see a withdrawal button or option here, just below here, so that you can be able to place your withdrawal. You can withdraw only on Saturday so that you can get paid on Sunday. Okay, so don't forget to place your withdrawal on Saturdays. Always check here in case you have your balances here. Check here to withdraw your money so as to get paid on Sunday. So this is it about Promptearn affiliate program. There's nothing much again for you to know here. It's just that simple. Just in case you are familiar with other affiliate platforms, okay, just copy your link by going to the marketplace. Go to marketplace, copy, find any product. You can see there's so many other. You can click on this load more here and find other products, other pages. Okay, there are so many of them here. So anyone you want to now promote, you can just click on promote here, and then you get the link. Okay, or you just touch it and then get the link. So there are so many pages here for you to find products to start promoting. So as you keep promoting and as you keep marketing on Promptearn, I wish you the very best. Do have a nice time. I will see you in the next video.